Today, I am reviewing the mighty Mule MM371W automatic gate opener. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're tired of getting out of your car every single time you need to pull into your driveway, you have probably been looking at the mighty Mule MM371W. I have been using this unit on my own property for the past few months, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether or not it is actually worth your time and money. If you want to see the current pricing or check out the specific model details, you can find the link in the description below, but let's talk about the reality of living with this thing day to day. Right out of the box, the first thing you need to know is that this is not a plug-and-play experience. This kit is very much a project. The manufacturer leans heavily on the BILT app for the installation process, and honestly, you should download that app before you even decide to buy the unit. It walks you through the steps in 3D, which is infinitely better than a paper manual, but be prepared to spend a full Saturday afternoon getting this aligned correctly. If your gate posts aren't perfectly plumb, or if your gate has any significant sag, you're going to run into trouble. This opener is sensitive to resistance, so if your gate drags on the ground or has stiff hinges, the motor is going to trip its internal safety sensor and stop before it finishes the cycle. The hardware itself feels solid. It is rated for gates up to 16 feet and 500 pounds, which covers most residential chain link or tube steel gates. However, do not try to use this on a solid wood privacy gate that catches a lot of wind. If you live in an area with high gusts, the wind pressure against a solid surface will cause the gate to bind, and the motor just isn't built to fight against nature. Stick to lighter, airy designs, and it works like a charm. One of the biggest frustrations I encountered is that the battery is not included. You have to go out and buy a 12-volt marine or automotive battery separately. It is a hidden cost that catches a lot of people off guard. You also need to house that battery in a weatherproof box near the gate. If you are not comfortable with basic wiring or dealing with battery terminals, you might want to have a friend who knows their way around a toolbox help you out. Once it is wired up, though, it is surprisingly reliable. I have had it running through some freezing mornings and a few heavy rainstorms, and it has not skipped a beat. The wide temperature range rating seems accurate, as it handled our recent cold snap without slowing down. The wireless remote that comes in the box is simple and works from a decent distance, but let's be honest, most of us want the smart features. The MM371W is smart ready, but that is the keyword. You have to purchase the wireless connectivity kit separately to actually control it with your phone. Once you add that kit, the experience changes completely. Being able to check if my gate is closed while I am sitting at my desk or opening it for a delivery driver while I am away is a massive quality of life upgrade. If you're going to buy this, just budget for the connectivity kit from the start. You will regret it if you don't. Now, let's talk about the safety features. It is UL 325 certified, which is the industry standard, and the obstruction sensing works well. If something gets in the way, it stops and reverses. It also emits a beep warning, which is loud enough to be helpful but not so loud that it is going to annoy your neighbors. It provides a good sense of security, knowing it won't crush a stray dog or damage a car if someone accidentally leaves something in the path. Who is this for? This is for the homeowner who is reasonably handy and wants a reliable gate opener without paying a professional thousands of dollars for a custom industrial install. It is a great middle ground between cheap, unreliable imports and professional-grade commercial gear. It is robust, it is reparable, and the parts are generally easy to find. If you are looking at the links below to pick one up, just make sure you are ready for the installation. If you're the type of person who gets frustrated by drilling into steel or troubleshooting electrical connections, this is going to be a headache for you. On the flip side, who should avoid this? If you have a massive, heavy, solid driveway gate, or if you live in an area with extreme wind, this is not the right tool for the job. You'll be constantly resetting it, and it will eventually burn out the motor. Also, if you aren't willing to put in the time to properly maintain your gate hinges and ensure the gate swings freely, don't blame the opener when it stops working. This is a machine, and it requires a smooth gate to operate effectively. Value-wise, I think it hits a sweet spot. It is priced aggressively for what it does, provided you accept that you need to buy the battery and the smart kit separately. If you add up the cost of the unit, the battery, and the smart kit, you are still well below what a professional install would cost. The technical support is also based in North America, which is a big plus. I had to call them once during my install to clarify a mounting bracket position, and I actually got someone on the line who knew exactly what they were talking about. That kind of service is rare these days. Ultimately, the mighty Mule MM371W is a solid, functional piece of equipment that rewards a careful, patient installation. It is not a luxury item that works perfectly the second you unbox it, but it is a reliable workhorse that will save you from getting wet in the rain every time you come home. Just make sure you do your homework on the installation requirements. Check those links in the description to see if the current price fits your budget, and be prepared to spend an afternoon getting it dialed in. If you do that, you will likely be very happy with the result.